Welcome aboard your Aegis Idris P frigate, Captain. This vessel requires a unique designation.
Ooh, a name, huh? Alright, let's do Malevolence.
This name has already been reserved.
Of course it is. Okay, what about the Malevolence?
Successfully renamed ship.
I don't know. It's kind of lame to have the in front of the name. Try name Imperator.
This name has already been reserved.
Fuck. Okay, for funsies, try Eugenicist.
Successfully renamed ship.
That worked.
Tactical advice, Captain. Maybe don't name the ship Eugenicist?
True. Try Genocide.
Successfully renamed ship.
Incredible.
Captain. Permission to offer tactical naming suggestion?
Yeah, go ahead.
Name! Moonshine.
Yeah, okay, I don't know about...
Successfully renamed ship.
Oh, that worked, did it? Rename ship Genocide.
Successfully renamed ship. Tactical advice.
I choose Genocide! We're keeping Genocide!
Confirmed. Aegis Idris. Genocide. Now online.
Attention all crew. This is Moonman. Make sure your bags are packed because we are leaving. Pre-flight checks are almost complete and we will take off shortly, so start moseying on over to your assigned stations and I'll see you all on the bridge. Moonman out.
Warning! Collision alert! Damage to hull. Negligible.
Bang, bang!
Attention all crew.
Kill that guy! Kill him! Get him down!
Killed!
Bang, bang! Pew, 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 pew! Hell yeah.
Jesus, how long does this take?
It's a size 12 torpedo. It goes like 230 meters a second. It's gonna take me forever.
We're just gonna sit around and wait in the middle of combat? That seems like a bad idea. Well, what are we gonna fill this section with? We're just sitting there waiting?